Hello friends, welcome to one more interesting aspect of motivational skills, and the topic for today's discussion is publicize your wins. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever achievements you are making in your lives, try to make it public. Let everyone in the world know that what you have achieved or what great act you are performing. Now, you will think that whatever a person achieves in his life, whatever a person does in his life, it is his personal matter. Why we should tell it to everyone? Now, this is also a fact. It is our personal matter, whatever achievements we have made in our lives. It is all because of the efforts that we did in our personal life. So why everyone should know about it? Ladies and gentlemen, telling everyone is a kind of motivating factor. If you don't publicize your wins, people will not come to know that how hard you have worked to achieve your particular target. Now one more thing will come into your mind, that even if we have achieved something in our lives, what is the need to tell it to other people? Why should we tell it to the entire world? That is my personal life, that is my personal matter. Ladies and gentlemen, motivation always happens by appreciation. When someone appreciates you, you become more motivated. So initially, if you have done something good in your life, if you have made any achievement, of course you will be happy with that, and you will try your best to make more achievements in future also. But if you tell everyone that you have achieved something, positive energy will come from all sides. All your friends, relatives, and whosoever is known to you will always encourage you to do more better in life. It makes you more energetic, and you always remain enthusiastic throughout your life. When you publicize your wins, when you tell everyone that yes, I have achieved this thing, people always feel appreciated. People are always willing to appreciate you. People are always willing to say something good to you. This world is full of positive energy, ladies and gentlemen, and we need to attract that positive energy. In order to attract that positive energy, so that in future also we can do something good in our life, publicizing your wins is very important. And the best method of doing it is social media nowadays. So whatever achievements you make in your life, suppose you have achieved some award in your school or college, you have created some website, you have created your own organization, or you have created a YouTube channel of your own. Try to promote it on different social medias, because nowadays in this busy work life, social media is the best platform from where you can connect with large number of people, with your friends and relatives who are not residing in your own city. Everyone gets connected through social media. So it is better you make your social media accounts everywhere. As I said, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Dig. Try to make your Facebook accounts on as many platforms as you can. It is your own choice, it is your own life. So whatever you think is good for you, make your social media accounts on all those platforms, and whenever you make any achievement in life, try to publicize it by these social media platforms. Try to tell everyone that I have achieved this particular thing in my life. Try to tell everyone that I have gained these many awards in my life. Today I did something good. Today I did something creative. Today I did something honorable. Because of which not only I am feeling proud, but my entire family is feeling proud of me. Tell everyone what great things you are doing in your life. And it is not just for your own personal promotion. I have already mentioned this, that it creates motivating factor in the mind of other people also, and people get motivated by your achievements, and then they try their best to improve their own personal lives also. They also try to be like you. They also try to do good things in their lives like you. So you become a motivating factor for depressed people in life also. Some people who are feeling sad, who have got this feeling in their mind that they cannot achieve anything. Even after working hard for so many years, they did not achieve anything. You can become a motivating factor for such people by consistently publicizing your wins on social media platform. Whatever you achieve in your life, even if it is a minor achievement, try to make it public. And everyone is doing it, ladies and gentlemen. When someone gets selected in a campus placement drive from any professional college, that college also highlights itself in different social media platforms, in different newspapers. Why the college is doing so? So that the college can gain more admission. And the students also get highlighted. The students who did well, who performed so great in their academics that they were able to qualify the campus placement interview. It is a big achievement. And everyone in the world should know that how intelligent these students are, that they qualified the interview of the toughest industry in the world. Make it public. Let everyone know what great things you are doing in your life. Whatever you do, whatever it may be, even if it is a small achievement, try to make it public. When you publicize your small achievements, you get positive energies from all the directions, and it motivates you to make more bigger achievements in life, and you make it. You actually make it, ladies and gentlemen. A small great thing shared with everyone always brings positive energy in your life, by the help of which you are able to think more, you are able to do more, you are able to bring more positive changes in your personality, and because of this, you keep learning, you keep growing, and you keep making bigger achievements in your life. It establishes your professional credibility. It establishes your good reputation in society, in the organization where you are working, and among the people whom you are meeting on daily basis. It makes you a great personality in the world. So ladies and gentlemen, once again I would like to repeat that whatever you are doing in your life, make it public. Social media is the best platform to make your achievements public, to tell everyone. So do whatever you can in your life, whatever you are thinking that you want to move in this particular direction or that particular direction, or whatever new ideas are coming in your mind related to all the great things that you will be doing in future. Try to implement those things. Try to be confident enough that you can do everything in your life. And once you achieve any kind of success, make it public. Let the entire world know that you exist and you are the greatest personality on the planet. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.